Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Zoram Education Hub. Channel first time in visit Chuan channel in subscribe nge turne achanchu it will help you a lot in your upcoming examination. What I'm Zoram Public Service Commission General Competitive Examination for recruitment to the post of UDC under Excise and Narcotics Department June 2018. Ami questions can solve questions solve mine video da po ai solve mine ka mutrin cheutro questions te so ti hian enula questions te a hawin ti chuan video hi du chuan in skip te ma seng skip lo ula ka ti kai chuan mo in practice and in revise our concepts te so it will be quite good for you. The part that then can solve ma point up. So question number 1, the mean chuan average point here of 5 numbers is 30. So average and given a throw chuan number upon given, so what will be the sum right, left hand side equals to sum right hand side can see action draw. So what will be the sum ange formula ha total numbers 5 ania John, what is the average 30 till down. If one number is excluded anti omzia chu pakhat an pe chuak there no an exclude their mean becomes 28 a mean chu 28 ani dai exclude nuwa 28 ani dai tayan thil phatin shia themangai tan thil pha shia themangai 5 in can multiply to dono achan chu pakhat kan pe to chu number pali chu om to don tro. So 5 multiplied by 30 chu za som ngania minus x equals to 4 multiplied by 28 chu za le som pani ania tuna hemi minus x right hand side kan thon pe de nga. So right hand side vele plus x ani dona hemi za som pani za som ngai na tle matro, that's why hemi za som pani left hand side kan shift de nga. Som za som nga atrangin za som pani kan pe chun, what will be the answer 38. Sum thumle paryati kan answer ni dona tuna question number 277 kan solve up. The sum of two rational numbers bitam takin komena le message aponi thawa bitam takin ka video hi fast tel do ka explain fast tel do kan shati amman lawan te trina kami ka ti na chan bar ju boring lo nan le ai monotonous tel to ka muang lu tuk trina mo 1.25x an player 1.5x an player kami ka play lo nan ti hian tlemin harang vedin ka explain ve trina baka maths ania Kevin ke excited doctrina maths subject big asian. So tuna question number 77, the sum of two rational numbers is minus 5 and each one rational numbers antinan x plus y equals to minus 5 anti enru ve khat ko senon le the sum of two rational numbers is minus 5. Rational number pakhat chu first chu x ania, rational number second chu y ania. Basing tahian again given if one of them is minus 13 by 6 chumi wangjon and tenan ama sazoki minus 13 by 6 ani chuan mo minus 13 by 6 ani chuan the other number hemi y hi enge a value ni don. So eng ma point ngai lowa hemi minus 13 by 6 hi heta kan transfer deinga tuna y equals to minus 5 plus 13 by 6 ani tro tuna LCM hemi kan solve nga 6 ani dona minus 30 plus 13 equals to somthum omza chu minus 30 plus 13 chu exact nge ni trin ti chuan minus 17 ani trina divided by 6. Hemi can answer option number B is the correct answer. Question number 78 can en lenga can solve lenga the least number eruthil pat ka shlan chu question least number mu vele enge kan shia tiam tur list number which one divided by number pakhatan tinan x nita se hemi number hi 8 pon divide dila 1 remainder ni tur 9 pon kan divide chon 1 remainder ni tur 12 in kan divide pon 1 remainder on chuak tur ni chon 15 pon kan divide chon 1 aron chuak tur ni masing chu mi number chu enge entinan random do in 231 hi assume ta ila do chen heta po hian hemi question ni antirnan LCM method in thiam lo chuan in riat lo chuan hit and trial in mangang antinan 451 in tianga hemi hi pahatte ten ma se rei don lu tuk mo 5 are 14 ya so tan 51 ya tan 6 kan tirenga 48 ya 3 ani dai hemi chu a thailo hemi chu a fail dona tuna 361 kan chek hemi chu long method ani hemi method in man turan lo LCM method ka shil cheunga chumi chuan in sol don ya hemi poi tileila 18 8 4s are 32 nya chun 41 abanga 8 5s are 41 14 ya so 1 abang tro maseng hemithil hi 9 tan pon kan chekang 9 so 9 40s are 316 ya so 1 abang yes hemi poi a satisfier chutiang bok chun 12 tan kan check leang 12 30s are 316 ya chun 1 abanga yes hemi poi satisfier chun atopa 15 pon kan try yang 15 2s are 13 ya chun 61 15 4s are hey 61 1 can find out tro so answer will be 361 maseng hemi long method ani hi tuna shortcut le a basic method ka shil chunga hey LCM in find out ang LCM of 8 9 12 15 hemi enge LCM ti chon andru number pahat eng tahan number pahat kan zia kanga chu mi number chu 15 pon kan divide thei tu ne on chu number te ber ani tur nia number te ber 15 pon kan divide thei tur nia 12 pon kan divide thei tur nia chun 9 le 8 pon kan divide thei tur ani chu number chu enge 15 ani am no achan chu 18 kan divide thei lo 60 ani am thei lo achan chu kan divide 120 ani am a thei chuang lo 360 hi 8 pon kan divide theya 9 pon kan divide theya 12 pon kan divide theya jon 15 pon kan divide the maseng 360 hi divide nuwa engmo remainder ni zel tur 1 remainder ni zel tur tro chumi wangjon pakhat kan bel zelang pakhat kan bel vele 8 pon divide dila 1 remainder or aron chuak dona 9 in divide dila 1 remainder om le dona 12 in divide dila 15 in divide dila 1 will be the remainder in all the cases so question number 79 the percentage required to pass in a paper is 40% which is equal to 60 marks so the total marks of the paper tahian ngetola pass person hi 40% and yatro 40% chu engmo 60 marks and ya tahya 60 marks so total marks and yatro total marks chu enge 100% ni china so tahyan shia tiam tumla 40% equals to 16 each one 1% enge ni chin each one 60 by 40 marks and china chen 100% ni turin enge kan tiang lelam 100 in kan multiply train thro so our answer will be 0 le 0 and cancel 4 le hemi 100 25 times thro and 6 multiplied by 25 chu za som so 150 marks will be the correct answer option number C A can do a job in 16 days so A nikhat thozat engzat nge tichon A's 1 day work will be 1 by 16 LCM method panati theya B can do the same work in B nikhat thozat engzat nge tichon 1 by 12 and yeah with the help of C they did the job in 4 days only omzia chu C ina puya chimza nilia an chu anvain an thokawa nilia an thokzawa so tiang kan solve ang nikhat thozat A plus nikhat thozat B plus C nikhat thozat equals to nilian thokzau tro A kha ni som paruka thokzau teya masenga nikhat thoza chu 1 by 16 B ni som pania thokzau teya ani khat thozat 1 by 12 tuna C can find out anga C in alone 1 by C equals to hey pani right hand side akan danga 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 12 tuna 1 by C equals to enge LCM 16 12 le 4 chu enge LCM tijon 48 will be the LCM tuna 4 engzat jar nge 48 tijon 4 12 jar ne chen 16 engzat jar nge 48 tijon 3 jar 12 engzat jar nge 48 tijon 4 jar so 12 atang in pasari kan peinga hai pali le pathum chu pasari nia 12 atang in pasari kan peijon panga bang dona divided by 48 so C nikhat thoza chu 5 by 48 nia maseng ni engza tange thokzo the don ti chon hey kan inverse te nga alitling join kan ziak de thina tuna 48 by 5 hi kan divide ang 9 zaran thina 45 3 amapan ka se to anwai berami hi achung bera kan ziak thina a divide to hi anwai kan ziak thina quotient hi ama kan ziak thina so 9 3 by 5 option option number C is the correct answer mean mode median quotient poran chuak thina mean chuin ria mode point ria range poimoa range chu maximum value minus minimum value ka range ani chen tuna median hi ante kan find out median turin number and given atro so given data given numbers hi ascending order omje chu ate atangin alien kan ziak thina so ate berang ati chon 13 ate bera chimza 14 after that 15 16 17 17 voithum omnia chon 22 hemi hi from small to large anita median hi enge omzia ti chon alayami number alai berami number kha median kan tin alai berang number nge om ti chon hei hemi cancelila to patangpon cancelila hemi poi cancelila so 16 will be the answer and tirnan number som chu om ta se heta hian 12 pom ta se enge kan tiang tuna chon number som om to tro number som om to a number pakwa om khachuan order om chon alai ber kha also then kan find out trina masing number som om chon hemi pali hi delete la chon hemi pali hi delete la 15 less 16 hi enge kan tin 15 plus 16 divided by 2 so 15 plus 16 jo 31 by 2 chu exact nge ni 15.500 hemi kan answer ni trina tuna question number 82 hi kan solve nga the length and breadth of a rectangle the length and breadth of a rectangular hole are exact nge 40 meter ania 30 meter ania tro what is the distance between two opposite corner tangent Pythagoras theorem kan manga answer ron chuak mayang ni chuwa a simple so what is the value 1600 and it tro 900 and it 30 square chu so 1600 le 900 chu sang ni le zangania what is the square root of 2500 ti chun somnga meter somnga hi can answer question number 83 100 ml of 20% solution of alcohol in water are mixed with okay hemi party solve potila enge asoi question omzia chu 100 ml anita tro hemi hi 100 ml ne hemi container 1 kazia kanga c1 hi container 1 ania 20% solution of alcohol in water 20% omzia nge alcohol hi OH in tila tlemin chemistry devin OH exact nge ti jon 20 ml ani dona nga tinga 20 ml ani dai 20% rain achan chu container total liquid 100 ml oma alcohol 20% om jon 20 ml ani dona abang zong kha chu water ania mo H2O exact nge 100 minus 20 chu 80 ml anita tuna second party nge hemi can mix dona with what 200 ml of 50% solution of alcohol so container 2 wachwan liquid exact nge om 200 ml de oma chwan 50% alcohol han ngei to ateu 250% chu nge 250% chu ml za ania chana bangzong tui so alcohol za ni chon tui po za ani don tuna hemi kan mix anga container 3 kan pour de dona mo container 3 ta hen da de then kan da de nga so hemi hi enge omzia ni don a wine 300 ml ani dona alcohol hi engzat nge om don alcohol chu hen mum 20 plus 100 chu za somni ml om dona chon water engzat nge om don ti chon somriat le za om don somriat le za chu za somriat enge kan question the alcoholic strength of mixer solution is tuna alcohol engzat nge hemi mixer a hian container c alcohol by total into 100 kan tin tro alcohol engzat mo za somni total engzat nge ml zathum chon multiplied by 100 tuna hnuaya po 0 panioma chunga po 0 panioma kanda bo theya za somni divided by 3 chu engzat nge somli so 40% is the correct answer what percent is 1 hour of a day now omzia chu entinan nikhata 1 hour hi nikhat exact person nge kantitrina so what percent tania what percent is 1 hour of a day hey initiative mem of a day chu nikhata dar ka exact nge om trintion somni pali om trin chu mi wangchun of chu multiply nya so x will be equals to 100 by 24 hemi 4 in cancel ila 25 by 6 ani dona 25 by 6 chu engani train 25 divided by 6 hey option number D hi ani dona maseng engtin 16 kan divide anga 4 time 24 1 abang dona 1 chung bera kan ziak trina divide 2 in waya kan ziak trina na quotient hi ama kan da train option number D is the correct answer Question number 85. A bus run at 54 km per hour. 54 km per hour. Speed and given 54 km per hour. How far it can go in 12 seconds? Okay. Per second can convert putanga all some back mangandu. Kilometer per hour hi meter per second a convert turin 5 by 18 in can multiply trin tro 18 3s are ani trina so enge kan tiang tahian 3 can multiply tro so 3 5s are zat nge 15 enge omzia ber omzia chumo second khata meter som pangat lan thei tahan chiang uluk den ngai tlola 1 second a meter som panga atlan theya masen kan khoshan hi ange 12 second ang zat nge tlan non so lelam 12 in kan multiply ani melom 15 multiplied by 12 15 12 zarang zat nge dichun za somri atane chen tinan SSC tivela chun har veda do anzor trina railway tivela po har veda anzor trina speed distance time quotients ti chuma sangai Mizoram achun UDC LDC tivela chun MPSC apon thawa all some the anzor train. Question number 86 chumi function tension do in worry laula all harlu tukha vathiam kharangai lo intiam chun chalutuk mo midang to po all some the in chada initial theidona maseng simple do hithiam phatula A alone can do a piece of work in 10 days. A in nikhata engzat mo thok thai 1 by 10 na thoka achanchu overall work ni soma thoka athok thaya. B alone can do in 15 days. So B ni sompanga athok thai chon nikhata engzat nge thok don 15. So in how many days will A and B work together? Time and work poi all some the then resort train han ngai tola nikhata A by B chu engzat ngai don 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. So 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 chu LCM som thumani dona 10 engzat zar nge 13 8 3 zar 15 engzat zar nge 13 di chon 2 zar so 5 by 30 5 le 30 kan cancel 1 by 6 nikhata 1 by 6 an thoka maseng overall ni engza tangan thokang ti chon aletling join kan zia 6 days hemi here trick poka shol ta chotro ma po khan rangda win sol thedan tur AB by A plus B enge AB 10 multiplied by 15 divided by 10 plus 15 to 25 ani train hemi te bulaoma hemi poi 5 te bulaoma 5 2s are so 2 3s are zat nge dijon 6 tiang point kan solve thai tuna question number 87 kan solve anga hemi question kan solve anga enru certain indices a rule pakhatin shianga A by B raised to the power minus 1 and each one enge omzia chu B by A raised to the power 1 hemi hi ani trin emo tengen she theologian dian tizokila A by B raised to the power minus 1 and each one B by A raised to the power n ani trin hemi concept tan kan manga kan solve so question number 87 5 by 9 raised to the power minus 2 each one 9 by 5 raised to the power 2 ani dei dona 3 by 5 raised to the power minus 3 chu aletling join 5 by 3 raised to the power 3 ni dona chuan hey x raised to the power 0 chu always 1 and trin eng poni te x simo eng poni te antinan minus 4 poni te ya 4 poni te ya 4 by 3 poni te ya eng poni te 3 by 5 poni te ya 3 by 4 poni te ya raised to the power chu 1 always and trina tunami kan solve 9 square chu 81 ania 5 square chu 25 ania 5 cube chu za som ni pangania 3 cube chu 27 ania into 1 chu zia pongailo 27 3s are ani trina 81 25 5s are ani trina 125 so 3 le 5 in kara hai multiply sign oma 3 5s are zat nge ti chon always 15 he can answer to our question number 88 he can solve rupees 800 amounts to zakwale somni in 3 years at simple interest aumzia ka shilang chong amount ti enge formula simple interest plus principal ani trina amounts to one theatro amounts to zomi number hi amount ani trina 920 so 800 is principal ni theatro simple interest enge formula PRT by 100 ani trina PI nge kanziang ta hian zariat kanzia kanga r engzat nge aret hi kan shemi alonia chumi wangchon tan r zia kila time 3 years and divided by 100 plus zariat ti hian tuna hemi solve la 0 pani chunga ma 0 pani waya ma so tian zia kila tuna 8 3s are angzat nge di jon 8 3s are 24 and so 24 r hemi 800 di helama kan transfer de nga helama kan zia vele 920 minus 800 zakwa somni trangin zariat kan pe jon za somni nia so 24 r hemi 24 hi waya kan ziak dai trina 24 engzat zar nge za somni ni trin ti jon 5 so rate will be 5% kan ni to ma se hemi kan answer ni law if the interest rate is increased by 3 anti dai omzia ju a rate kha 5 ni to law pathum anti bel da pathum an era chumi function after adding after increasing by 3 kan rate thar chu engzat nge ni don 8% hi ni to don it would amount to how much tuna amount can find out tangai le to dona so amount engzat engen itrin kha simple interest plus principal anitrin simple interest enge 800 PRT by 100 bokania into 3 divided by 100 plus p engzat mo 100 so 0 pani le 0 pani cancel a hemi chu kanda son photanga 8 3s are engzat nge 8 3s are 24 and 3 na 24 4s are engzat nge di chon 192 anitrin 192 anitrin plus 800 nga tinga 24 8 zarang tinga 192 ni thai duchan hemi hi 4 plus 4 pogan tita 24 4s are 96 anitrin 24 4s are 96 anitrin hemi ju mase in practice in tiama so 192 le 800 chu 992 rupees option number D can answer. A sum of money will double itself in 16 years at simple interest. Double ma in assume 100 ania plus 16 years after 16 years semi hi double dai omza ju za kha zani ani de ya engzat nge change za change ani tro rate of person SI equals to PRT by 100 and shina PRT by 100 and shina simple interest engzat nge hey atira 100 ania chon after 16 year 200 there so difference is how much 100 so simple interest is 100 John what is the value of p beginning 100 kan assume tro so 100 kan zia kanga a rate engzat nge hemi kan shalawa x assume la time engzat nge 16 divided by 100 tuna hemi 100 le hemi 100 hi cancel ila enge kan zia okay hemi multiplied by 16 hi helama kan zia kanga divided by 16 ni dona so value of x equals to 100 by 16 hemi 4 in cancel ila 25 by 4 is how much 6 1 by 4 entry na chuan I hemi can solve masing option awam lo so the correct answer of this question will be 6 1 by 4 or 6.25 point te chuan 25 by 4 pogan te option is not there. Question number 90 and solve in a group of 65 people. Okay, total engzat mo nom total 65 and oma 40 likes badminton NB engzat nge badminton ti chon 40 people likes throw chon 10 like badminton and chess ti chon and badminton and chess ti chon mo hemi hi ni mai hey hemi intersection point 65 people are athanin hetachang poyanan khel duwa chumi wangjon both sport mi engzat in mon khel 10 in an laika an khel trina intersection C will be 10 ani dona how many like chess only and not badminton anti chess only du tu kha only NC can find out don tinani chu jon N B union C chu ungiven hey question a vine and zat nge 65 tuna formula kan manga enge kan formula kha N B union C equals to N B plus N C plus N C minus N B intersection C. Tuna hemi chuk ungiven 65 ania equals to NB and ungiven throw 40 plus hemi ungiven lower NC kan lower minus NB intersection C hi engzat nge ti chon 10 in unlike ve so hemi somli trangin hemi 10 hi kan pe chon engzat nge 30 ni dona chon hemi 30 helama kan transfer chon anting e kan zia tai hemi 30 hi heta kan transfer chon 65 minus 30 equals to NC so 65 train 30 can page on 35 value of NC will be 35 people like chess only not badminton. Question number 91 the number of cube of side 2 centimeter that can be formed from a cube of side 6 centimeter is hemi chu all sum lu tuka cube lian zok volume hetian kan ziak trina 6 centimeter 6 centimeter 6 centimeter divided by atle hemi basic pokashil to chunga hemi za chon divided by small kha anwaya kan zia kang tahian 6 centimeter 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter 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 kan cancel nga chon 2 in 6 kan cancel 3 2 in 6 kan cancel 3 2 in 6 kan 3 so 3 3 3 kan multiply chon 27 option number D is the correct answer masing hemi hi atlemin ta structure ka siamanga entinan hemi hi cube ni ta se with 6 centimeter tan ka shilang chau hemi cube ania 3D in visualize anga hian oh ti hian hemi takinia shilfia ka du chu okay hemi cube hian side 6 centimeter aniatro chon engzatin mo kan break a 2 centimeter hisabin kan break chon 6 by 2 engzat nge 3 division om don tinani chu hei pakhat chu hemi nia chon adang pani chu hemi nia chu tiang bok chon heta po hian pakhat chu ti hian ani dona chon pakhat chu ti hian hemi chu visualize ve to pula chon ta hian and again hemi kan zoma chon anunga mi kan zoma chu tiang bo chon ta po hian mo ti hian ei ti hian kan tilenga ta po hian ti hian division pathum om dona tan shi atiam tumula hein muthenga tro hemi 2 centimeter 2 centimeter 2 centimeter 2 2 2 ane tro hetan ro engzat nge om ro pakhata oma ro pani oma ro pathum oma tuna row number 1 hi enula cube engzat ngam hey pakhat pani pathum pali panga paru pasari pariatle pakwa so row 1 a chuan engzat nge pakwa amatro 2 centimeter cube chutiang bok chon row 2 a po pakwa omanga chutiang bok chon row 2 a po pakwa cube om dona chutiang bok chon row 3 a po cube pakwa om don so total cube will be how much with a measure of 2 centimeter side each one 27 cubes will be there so answer will be 27 tuna question number 92 we can solve the ratio between two numbers okay tuna ratio antiatro ratio antinan two numbers a le b assume la hemi 5 le 6 ka atiatro if 5 is subtracted from each number tahian 5 le tan 5 kan ti thailau achan chu ratio achan value of these two numbers can find out turin nge kan tiang x le x kan multiply ratio ni wangin x le x kan multiply thai chuan het atang hian 5 kan minus anga 5 minus veila the new ratio becomes 4 by 5 tuna chuna also vekalom tuna kan enge kan tiang tuna hemi hi cross multiply 5 le 5x to 25x minus 5 le 5 to 25 to tiambok chan 6x le 4 to 24x ania minus 5 le 4 to minus 20 hemi minus 25 hi helama kan transfer anga engeni don tahian plus 25 to tiambok chan hemi 24x hi 25x bula kan transfer anga minus 24x ani don 25x and 24x kan page on enge only x will remain 25 or 20 minus 1 exact nge plus 5 okay so value of x kan nei to chon nge eng ma po har to lene hata hian x kan danga 5x by 6x a x kan danga so 5 into 5 and 5 into 6 into 5 so 5 5 is a 25 and yeah so first number is 25 and 6 5 is a 30 so 25 le 30 on the two option number C. So now question number 93 the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is okay equilateral triangle all the side of this particular triangle is equal all the sides are equal kan the triangle equilateral triangle achon exact nge angle om trin ti chon 60 degrees om trina enge perimeter 18 centimeter so 18 can divide the trin 6 centimeter will be the side of the equilateral triangle 6 centimeter 6 centimeter 6 centimeter its area is okay area of equilateral triangle shiat photangaya equilateral triangle area chu root 3 by 4 side square ani train tuna root 3 divided by 4 side exat nge kan nei to tro 6 into 6 to 36 ania 36 table mem yes chiang to 9 so 9 root 3 will be the correct answer option number B. Question number 94 kan en lenga in a group of 30 people 30 group of 30 ti vel enge kan tiang eng lenge badminton le football mo tunchum so badminton union football exat mo 30 people okay 15 people play badminton so NB is given 15 chimza 20 people play football so NF equals to 20 yeah each of them likes to play at least one of the two games hemichu 30 people ano matro atlem bera game pa khachuan khel nge I mean anian engma confusion create turan lawa in brain so number of people who play both the games tichon both the games tichon ange kha tihian intersection portion hi can find out tur so N B intersection F can find out so NB intersection F chu ange formula ka N B union F equals to NB plus NF minus NB intersection F ania tuna hemi can find out an ru tahian value kan putanga NB union F chu 13 ya NB exat nge ti chon som pangania NF 20 ya chon NB intersection F hemi kan find out tuna 15 plus 20 exat nge ti chon som pangale som ni chu 35 ania hemi minus N B intersection F helama kan danga chon hemi 30 helama kan ziak de so 30 helama kan zia vel 35 minus 13 dona N B intersection F som thum panga train som thum kan pe chon panga chawani dona so option number A is the correct answer. Question number 95 hemi hi group atang pon min lo zota the number that must be added to each of the numbers 2 3 30 and 35 so that they are in proportion okay proportion ka nge omzia kha A by B equals to C by D ani train tro omzia chu 4 by 16 equals to 2 by 8 hemi hi proportion ani chiang lu tuka ma seng entian tan 3 ti dei tai la hemi hi proportion ani don lo 2 by 3 ania chon 30 by 35 ania adhikem proportion mi alauta proportion thei turin number pakhat kan add vekang ta hian chumi number chu enge mi berina question cross multiply la 35 plus x le 2x 35 2s are 17 ya 35 x are 35x ania x 2s are 2x ania x into x chu x square 3 30s are hemi tuna 3 into 30 chu 19 ya 3 into x chu 3x ania x into 30 chu 30x ania x into x chu x square to na hemi kan cancel kan solve x square le x square chu kan cancel 3 le som thum chu 33x ania plus som kwa equals to 35 le 2x chu 37x ania plus 70 okay 33x hela mazia kila 70 hela mazia kanga tinge ajan chu ate ve no antinan 70 90 ai na claim zo ka chumi function ana upang zo ka upa bula kal trina upa zo ka no upang bula kal ngai lo chumi function 37x minus 33x tuna 37x train 33 kan page 4x ania 90 train 70 kan page 20 4 table 20 oma 5 are so value of x will be equals to 5 option C is the correct answer. Question number 96 you can solve A can do a piece of work in 15 days and yeah A in nikhata 1 by 15 part thoka B in nikhata 1 by 20 part thoka if they work on it together for 4 days okay nikhata chwan 1 day work A le B 1 day work of A and B is enge 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 yeah baseng anili thoza tangzat nge ti chon hey 4 in can multiply the 3 na tihian LCM exact nge LCM will be 16 atro 16 yeah so then 4 and yeah 3 4 plus 3 is 7 throw 7 4 multiplied by 7 to 28 okay cancel ila 4 in can cancel the 4 7s are hemi 4 in cancel ila 4 15s are so nili achon hetizathi na anthok enge caution then the fraction of the work left is ngeitwaru nili a hetizathi anthoka overall 1 train can minus 3 na 8 by 15. 8 by 15 hi alabang. Option number D is the correct answer. Question number 97. In a mixture of 45 liters, and then hemi mixture near 45 liter, the ratio of milk and water is 4:1. So milk and zat ngam tichon 4 by 5 into 45. Hemi khoi mi nge tichon andru. So water po kan ziak photang. In the same way, water po kan ziak nga tahian water chu 1 part ania over 5 into 45 ania. Tuna hemi 4 le hemi 1 le hemi 5 khoi mi nge khoi ren nge local kan kashil chonga andru. Milk 4 portion ya tro 4 part ania, water 1 part ania. Chumi wangchon milk 4 tahan ka ziaka chon water tahan ka ziak maseng hemi 5 khoi mi nge ti chon mapon ka soito thil pahnia mo pathum pahniai tam eng poni chon total anwaya kan ziak chen a total nan kan relate china. So 5 table 45 oma 9 zar 5 table 45 oma 9 zar tro. So 1 into 9 chu anwaya 9 om dona 4 into 9 chu 36 ani don 36 ani don kan bela 45 achua kam yes achua. Tuna thil down how much water must be added to the mixture to make the ratio 3/2. 3/2 ratio tharsiam turin tuya engzat nge quantity kan add. So tuya chawan titra chumi wangjon 36 a eng ma po kan bel don lo eng ma kan subtract don lo maseng tuya hi chuan hey how much water must be added anti so anuwa ratio thar chu 3/2 ni thai turin 3 table 36 oma 12 zar jo tiang bok chon 2 le 12 kan multiply nga 2 le 12 kan multiply jon 24 ani dor chon 9 plus x chu heta om de trina 9 plus x so 9 plus x equals to 24 ani chon x will be how much 24 minus 9 so 15 liter 15 liter he can answer in on option number C. Question number 98. After 3 years thanga after 3 years antia after 3 years to enge omzia chu x plus 3 and shina jan thanga will be thrice of his own 3 years ago. Okay, 3 years ago omle chon enge kha x minus 3 ani dai tuna hemi hi kan ma hemi concept enro after 3 years ani chon after 3 years to x plus 3 ni dara enge thanga will be thrice ani dai 3 ani dai 3 le thum of his own 3 years ago. So x minus 3 hemi zo het zong hini ran solve x plus 3 equals to 3x minus 9 tuna hemi x hi tezo ka so minus x ani da minus 9 ka hela ma kan transfer chon plus 9 ani dona 9 plus 3 chu 12 ania so 12 3x train x pakhat kan pe chon 2x ania and x 2x equals to 12 ania x equals to exact ngani don 12/2 will be how much 6 so 6 years will be the answer. To question number 99. Arrange the following ratios in descending order. Descending om zachu alian train nate hemi number ania 3/4 5/8 7/12 2/3 amapon ka soito LCM ziak popula around chuak pop mang answer chuma tahian andrew 4 8 12 let 3 enge LCM 24 and etro so 24 cm ilani melom 24 cm turin 16 kan multiply nga chunga po 16 kan multiply 5/8 anwai mi 24 cm turin anwai apotrin kan multiply nga chunga apotrin kan 7/12 24 cm turin twin kan multiply nga twin kan multiply 2/3 anwai 24 cm turin 18 kan multiply nga chunga po 18 kan multiply so anwai ajon 24 om vector hai 24 ai dang vector 24 heta po yan 24 tuna number tamber khan answer ni mai he enge 3 6 are 18 ania 5 3s are 15 ania 7 2s are 14 ania 2 8s are 16 ania enge lian ber ti chon 3/4 lian ber so 3/4 lian bera 18 lian bera chumizwa 16 liana so 2/3 answer ni le dona 2/3 ti hian chumizwa 15 liana hamzu 5/8 liana 5/8 liana chan they ber chu 14 7/12 so option A mem 3/4 2/3 5/8 7/12 yes option number A can answer. Tuna question number 100 andrew hemi chu eng ma po solve ngai lo a cube b cube by a square plus ab plus b square hemi in shia atro what is the formula a cube minus b cube enge formula ti chon a minus b chon a square plus b square plus ab amo tiang point in ziak te a square plus ab plus b square pas ato ka bakeng ma boy pu ngai lowa a cube minus b cube in enge kan ziang hemi kan zia kanga mo equation a formula a minus b chon a square plus ab plus b square he anwa apo a square plus ab plus b square ma achung apo a square plus ab plus b square ma kan cancel nga abau de ang enge bang a minus b cho bang what is a 9.8 what is b 6.8 tro kan minus anga he 0 3.0 3 kan answer ni don so kan zawa question om tolawa channel in subscribe lo chon in subscribe ngai ngai don ya groups apo join tia next video kan mula chho don ya thank you